Property tours, 5 essential tips for home buyers. Property tours are a thrilling part of the home buying process, allowing you to picture your future in a new space. However, it's essential to approach these tours with care. Here are 5 key do's and don'ts to keep in mind. 1. Don't bring an entourage. Limit your property tour group to essential decision makers to stay focused and avoid distractions. 2. Assume the owner is watching. Be aware that owners may monitor tours, so watch your behavior and comments. 3. Don't take photos or videos. Taking pictures without permission may violate state laws and harm negotiations. 4. Use your imagination. Consider personalizing the space with simple changes like lighting or paint. 5. Don't use the bathroom. Check with your representative before using facilities, as many owners prefer you don't. Would you like someone else using your bathroom? Probably not. Following these tips ensures a smooth and respectful property tour, enhancing your home buying journey. Make sure you are using a realtor and ask for more helpful hints about seeing the homes you wanted to buy.